Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro, natural titanium, 256 gigabyte. So a little bit different on the packaging from the last time I did an unboxing. iPhone is now processing their Pro models in a white box instead of the previous black box as shown before, which to me, the display of the phone stands out a lot more, so that's a great change by them. Okay, now for the exciting part, the first look. As you guys can see, this phone is absolutely stunning. Let's take it out the box to get a closer look. The color of the iPhone looks more silver in person, but has a nice goldish touch to it when the direct light hits it from different angles. This phone really has a nice, sleek, elegant look with a titanium finish. It goes really well with the shiny perimeter edges that this device offers. The cutting edge design is just truly remarkable. Here's a closer look. Now, as far as some more design differences, they did move a few things around, like the 5G antenna placement. Also, they did add the new action button to the Pro models to replace the old style mute switch. Lastly, the weight difference is incredible, so much more lighter than all the previous models, just like Apple stated. Truly night and day. Now, some of the most exciting news of the day: USB-C, one charger cord for all.